everyone, welcome to my channel English with Wills and welcome to another video. And before we start the video, once again I'm wearing Shine Welfare Trust's t-shirt which was gifted by Sheikh Kashif Amjad. And as I told you guys that he's doing an amazing work for society, people regardless of their religion, regardless of their caste. So everybody should support them, and especially the people of Liari, Bihar colony should support him, support his NGO. Alright, so today we're going to talk about modal verbs. There are so many modal verbs, but we are going to start from should. So where we use this, the modal verb should. Modal verb should is used for general suggestions, where we want to give a general suggestion to someone. It is also used for advice. So where we use the modal verb should, let's discuss about it in detail. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today we're going to discuss modal verb should. So let's get started. The modal verb should is used for obligation, general suggestions and advice. The Urdu identification of the modal verb should is chahiye. When at the end of the sentence you see this word in Urdu, chahiye, तुम्हें जल्दी उठना चाहिए, तुम्हें अपना काम वक्त पे करना चाहिए, तुम्हें बड़ों की इज्जत करनी चाहिए. So when you find this chahiye at the end of the sentence in Urdu, you should understand that is the structure or modal verb should to use in the sentence. So let's discuss the affirmative structure. In the affirmative structure, first of all we use subject, then should, first form of the verb, and then object. For example, you should watch the new movie of James Bond. आपको James Bond की new movie देखनी चाहिए. You're just giving a suggestion to someone. You should try to lose your weight. You should try to lose your weight. You're giving again a general suggestion to your friend or someone. We should help needy people. हमें गरीब लोगों की मदद करनी चाहिए. This is a kind of advice or a general suggestion. Now let's talk about the negative structure. The negative structure is subject plus should plus not. You can also use shouldn't as a contraction using the short form of should not, shouldn't. First form of the verb, object and full stop. Let's take the examples. The example number 1 is, I should not waste my time over here. I should not waste my time over here. मुझे अपना वक्त यहाँ बर्बाद नहीं करना चाहिए. She should not submit her assignment later than 15th October 2020. उसे अपना assignment 15 अक्टूबर के बाद जमा नहीं करवाना चाहिए. मतलब उससे ज़्यादा लेट नहीं करना चाहिए. It's also a general suggestion. Number 3. Example number 3 says, you should not hurt his feelings. आपको उसके एहसासात को ठेस नहीं पहुंचानी चाहिए. So this is again a general suggestion, or you can say advice. Now let's talk about interrogative structure. If you want to form an interrogative or a question sentence, you have to use should in the beginning, subject, first form of the verb, and object and question mark. Let's take the examples. Should I apologize for my behavior? क्या मुझे अपने रवैये पे माजरत कर लेनी चाहिए या माफ़ी मांगनी चाहिए? Should he quit his current job? क्या उसे अपनी मौजूदा नौकरी को छोड़ देना चाहिए? Should I consider again on my decision? क्या मुझे अपने फैसले पे दोबारा गौर करना चाहिए? So this was modal verb should, affirmative, negative and interrogative structures with examples. I hope everybody understood and there is no complication, there is no problem into it. It's very easy to use. So if there is any question that you want to ask, you can drop your message in the chatting section. I'll get back to you. Thank you. So yes, I hope it was very easy for everyone, but still if there is any questions, you can just drop your comments in the comment section. I'll get back to you and answer your question. Thank you.